Hello and welcome to A to Z. Today we'll be seeing how to install the Java programming language in Windows 11. So we will open our browser and type Java Oracle, and we will select the first website link from here, and we will click on download Java, and this will land us to another website, and here we'll see the different operating systems: Mac, Linux and Windows. And from the Windows option, we'll be selecting the 64-bit exe file for the Java. We will click on it, and this will start our download for the exe file of the Java programming language. So our Java exe file has been downloaded. We will open the folder and double click on it to begin the installation. We will click yes, and it is preparing to install. Next, next, and it is installing, and now close. So what we will do now, we will go to our PC, open the C drive, go to the program files, and look for the Java folder. Double click on it, click JDK, click on the bin, and from here we will have to copy the path of this file. We'll copy the path, and now we will go to the search option from our PC and type environment variables, and system properties, and here is the environment variables. Click on it, and then in the lower section you will see the path here. Double click on the path, click on new, and paste the copy path for the Java bin here, and click OK, OK, and OK. Now we'll see if our Java programming language has been successfully installed or not. So we'll go to our command prompt, here is it, and then we'll type Java space dash dash version and press enter. So we can see that Java 26.0.1 has been successfully installed in this state. So this is how you can easily install Java programming language on Windows 11. Thank you for watching. And if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel for another useful video. Thank you.